Hi guys, nangyari na ba sa inyo to? Yung naka-turn off na yung engine ng car mo, pero here, yung brake light, show it off, show them. Yan, yung brake light are still on. It doesn't turn off. Yes, and if this thing happened to your car, I can help you to fix that. Just keep on watching. You'll be needing this two items, two stuff, packing tape and cents. Yan. Depende kung ilang cents yung magkakasya. I just found out kung ano yung cost nito. And I found this. Yan, I found this one. Etong mga to. It broke. Hindi ko alam kung anong reason bakit siya ganto nadurog. Pero dito ko yan makikita Did you see that? Yon, yung may black na yon, kailangan mong i-shoot yung cents dyan, kung ilang cents yung kakasya. Yung sa akin, yung car ko is Hyundai Gets, nagkasya dyan 1 cents kasi tinry ko na siya So, ayun, try natin pakita ko sa inyo how it works, pero hindi ko mapapakita kung paano ko masuot kasi mag-isa lang ako. Ayan, wait lang. Eto na guys. Eto na yung cents na nilagay ko. Yan, isang cent lang yung nagkasya, yung pwede. At eto yung result. Look at the result. The brake light was turned off already, di ba? Ididikit ko lang siya ng packing tape para magamit na maayos. Temporary lang to Temporary lang yung binigay nating tung ginawa natin ngayon. Kailangan mo pa ring dalhin sa kasa yung kotse mo para mapalitan talaga yung nasira. Neto. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. And that's all. Bye!